Give a f what you talking about. You better not touch me.
Continue out.
I'm waiting on mine.
Continue out.
I can say what I want. You better not touch me.
Oh, who's gonna touch you?
Well, shut your ass up. It don't take all y'all. For real. Bitch, so fast.
It really didn't have to end like this.
You just a you mad because I ain't shut the f up. I ain't got to shut
I'm not
the f up.
Come at me again and find out. You're gonna go to jail.
I ain't got to shut the f up. I don't need that.
On the 22nd of June 2025, Tampa Police Department officers responded to Adventure Island Water Park for a report of an unruly guest suspected of entering without a valid ticket. The interaction raises three legal questions: the scope of private property trespass authority, the First Amendment boundary on hostile speech, and the threshold for disorderly conduct under Florida law. Under Florida statute section 810.09, a property owner may exclude any individual from private property without stating cause, provided the exclusion is not discriminatorily applied based on a protected classification. Adventure Island holds full trespass authority, regardless of whether the underlying suspicion was accurate. The subject's ticket dispute is legally irrelevant to the trespass proceeding itself.
How?
You are not trespassing.
Are you the supervisor of everything? Who's your supervisor?
I am here.
There's nobody else that can like to talk to you besides you.
You talk to the police officer like that's where
That's fine.
Do you have an ID with you,
That's
ma'am?
fine. I do. It's right here. Let me go get my stuff. That's fine. I don't need all of y'all following me. Don't follow me, bitch. Don't follow me. Yeah, I don't know about all that. Not all y'all.
Hey, Unit 52 requesting security for 4 hours at Rapid.
How old is the boy?
Ma'am, can I see that ID?
Yeah, come on.
Unknown. I think it's the same here as ours.
You got your ticket?
Ma'am, can I see that ID?
They got a copy of it up there. I'm finna go. Come on, let's go. Get your stuff, Kayana, so we can go. Come on.
It doesn't make sense.
Ma'am, can I have your ID?
No. What you talking about? For what?
Because you're being trespassed from the park.
This kid's screaming. Don't get by me.
Go.
Don't get by me. Don't get by me.
They better the not. Don't touch my kid.
Oh, y'all going to jail. Y'all touch me.
That's so real. Don't do it.
Where'd you get that at?
199.
She's being trespassed. Let her go.
I can talk.
You can talk your way straight out like you already did.
I can talk. What's wrong with you? That man asked me a question. I can
Y'all
talk.
made the mistake and mad that we cussing y'all the out.
Nope.
She made the mistake up
Keep
there.
walking.
Shut the up. I can say what I want to say. I can say what the I want to say right now.
Sure
Because she
can.
made the mistake.
While you're
you
walking.
want bitch ass bitches. I can say what I want.
Yep.
Y'all doing so.
The subject's sustained profanity raises whether that conduct constitutes criminal disorderly conduct under Florida statute section 877.03, which requires an overt act, not speech alone. In City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, the Supreme Court struck down an ordinance criminalizing verbal challenges to police, holding the First Amendment protects individuals who confront or insult law enforcement even in profane terms. Cohen v. California, 1971, further established that offensive public language is constitutionally protected, absent a captive audience, a true threat, or direct incitement. The subject's language here falls within that protection. The subject's conditional physical statements approach the category of threats. Under Virginia v. Black, 2003, a true threat requires a communicated serious intent to commit violence, not a conditional warning. That threshold was not met here. Officers were legally authorized to escalate to physical control had the subject's conduct crossed into assault under Florida statutes section 784.011, defined as an intentional threat to do violence with apparent ability to carry it out. That threshold was not reached.
You can say what you want as you walk out.
I think you're right.
So keep going. Keep going.
Oh, yeah. He's screaming at you. I can scream too, dog.
Keep going.
Hey, stop me from screaming.
This
Keep
the
up.
most excitement y'all done had all year.
Keep up.
Hey, stop me from screaming. All these kids screaming at you. I can scream
She made the mistake and y'all want to come on. You just apologized to me.
Keep up.
Stupid ass. Man, cause nobody wanna. I ain't gotta respect y'all.
Nobody's
That's
asking for your
embarrass that
respect.
shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six officers.
Continue out.
Don't touch me.
Nobody has touched you.
You better go.
You will know when I put hands on you.
You gonna
Keep
know it.
going.
Put your hand. You gonna know it.
It will
Put your
be
hands
very
on me.
clear. She's
Yes,
being
sir.
trespassed from the park. Continue to
She
the
made a
exit.
mistake.
Continue
She
to the
made a
exit.
mistake.
Continue to
And
the
he don't
exit.
come and apologize.
Continue
Now I
to
got
the
go.
exit. Continue to the
Man.
exit. Continue to the exit.
I'm waiting
You
on
are
my
trespassed from the park.
I'm waiting on my kids.
Keep going.
No. Hey, look.
I understand what's going
The
on.
girl made a mistake. They thought we came in here and didn't pay for nothing. They stole my ticket. Oh, we're sorry. All I said was that once somebody was having a bad day, they want to stop and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. That's dumb. He just apologized to me.
I did not say
Yes,
you're sorry.
the you did.
Continue out.
Well, he did.
Yeah, honestly. Didn't have to end like this. Continue.
Her dumb ass right there.
Continue out.
She need to go to training. Put her ass back in training. I did all that. I did not come through no exit.
Continue out.
I don't give a what you talking about. You better not touch me.
Continue out.
I'm waiting on mine.
Continue out.
I can say what I want. You better not touch me.
Oh, who's gonna touch you? Just keep
Well,
walking.
shut your ass up.
It don't take all y'all.
For real.
Bitch, so fast.
It really didn't have to end like this.
So what?
You just apologize to me.
Y'all
If you mad because I ain't shut the I ain't got to shut
I'm
the
not mad. Come at me again and find out. You're gonna go to jail.
I ain't got to shut the up.
I don't need that.
That's what's wrong with y'all.
Y'all want us to
Y'all
be
want all
quiet.
the respect, but don't get nobody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of y'all. We
Keep going.
out of here. You get my ass on the camera.
Sure am. So you are both trespassed for 365 days. If you return onto this property or any Busch Gardens property, you are subject to arrest. Do you understand?
I'm making $100 a year.
Good for you.
I don't have time to come any way.
Well, you're already here, so obviously you got some time. 365 days. If you return, you are subject to arrest. Would you like your copy of the trespass? All right, vacate the property or you're going to jail.
Mad because she made a mistake. One, bitch ass just apologize. It's the most excitement y'all done had all year. I hope that camera get my ass too.
Unfortunately.
That's good. Because that's what can happen.
I ain't working fast for nobody.
Nobody asked you to walk fast. All we asked you to keep going.
Gonna come. After us, we stood in that line. Exit, come on, man. Y'all stupid as about that. Look at me. I'm gonna just come in there. Look at me. Think about that. Look at me.
Why? I don't want to look at you. I want you to leave.
Since you approached me,
Nobody wanted to look at you.
Your camera can't help it. They watch. 6 officers.
Where we park at? We're on the right
6
side.
officers and all of them ain't no
I
part
see
of
it.
5-7. That's stupid.
There's my truck right there.
Pick up.
The big white one?
Don't mind your business.
It's a nice truck.
Mind your business. Don't worry about my mother vehicle. Paid for.
You ain't gotta respect no.
That's fine. Try to pay you a compliment. I'll just go myself.
Know what? You just made too much bread.
Get a license.
You better stay the right there. Yeah, let's go in this cut. That's fuck shit. We don't need y'all to open the doors.
You've been trespassed. We're escorting you off the property.
We're from afar. We can get some AC. We'll press a button. You know? Press a button. You know?
Wait, she have a ticket. Oh my god. I'm gonna get mad because I can get loud. I'm gonna be pissed off. What the y'all
I don't
in?
know who the hell y'all thought that was.
Damn.
All them kids screaming and shit, having fun. I can scream.
What the I ain't got no excitement. Take your ass and go do something with yourself. You go change them dingy ass fucking pants. I ugly ass pants on. You get the on.
All right.
Get away from my
Well, I
shit.
hope y'all have a better Sunday.
Get your short ass back in there and do something. You find you
Watch
some
that, bitch.
You find you someone to business. I hate that hat too because it's dingy. Get your ass away from here.
Well, I hope y'all have a better Sunday because obviously, you know, y'all got some interpersonal stuff going on.
You like it?
It's all right.
Getting all of y'all.
I can see why you said it's paid off.
We
It's
can
obviously
see
a couple
why
years
you ain't
old.
got shit to do because you still here, you short piece of shit. Get your ass back to work.
You see that?
Get the to work.
Okay, time to leave.
Get your ass on.
Time to leave. Get, ma'am, step out of the road.
Hell, get in the car. Get your ass on.
All right.
Shit. Get your ass up.
Pay for it, bitch.
Have a better Sunday.
The formal trespass notice was legally complete. It specified the 365 day duration, geographic scope across all Busch Gardens properties, and the criminal consequence of return. The subject's refusal to accept a written copy does not invalidate it. Verbal delivery on camera constitutes sufficient legal notice under Florida law. Any return within 365 days constitutes a second-degree misdemeanor under Section 810.092b, punishable by up to 60 days in jail and a $500 fine. The decision not to arrest for the verbal conduct was legally sound. An arrest based solely on this language would have been constitutionally vulnerable under City of Houston v. Hill and actionable as a retaliatory arrest under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Tampa Police Department officers receive a B+. The trespass notice was procedurally complete. De-escalation discipline held throughout a prolonged hostile encounter. No force was deployed where none was warranted. The deduction reflects extended verbal engagement that prolonged the encounter unnecessarily. Consistent redirection without substantive response would have been tactically cleaner. The subject receives a D. The First Amendment protected her speech, but that protection is a shield against government punishment, not a guarantee of favorable outcomes. 9 minutes of verbal aggression produced a documented trespass and a year-long ban. More critically, her conditional physical threats placed her one step from a lawful arrest. Had officers applied the Section 784.011 assault standard, a custodial arrest would have been legally defensible, with no viable First Amendment defense. Adventure Island Security receives a B. Escalation to law enforcement was procedurally correct. However, the unresolved question of whether the ticket determination was accurate reflects a potential process gap at point of entry. The central lesson: legal protection and strategic wisdom are not the same thing. When facing a disputed trespass, the effective response is to comply, request a supervisor, obtain the notice in writing, and preserve a potential civil claim. Verbal aggression forfeits none of those legal options, but it eliminates them practically. It transforms a potential grievance into a documented record of threatening conduct that undermines any subsequent claim. For law enforcement, this footage demonstrates restraint under sustained provocation. Absorbing 9 minutes of hostility without retaliatory escalation reflects constitutional literacy and professional discipline that averted a legally complex arrest situation. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.